Always wear goggles. Well, that's where we're getting wrong already.
Alright, so welcome back to another video. Today we've got another Lamborghini Huracan LP-610, and yeah, Joe's gonna tell us a little bit about it.
So it's a Lamborghini Huracan LP-610, finished in. Can't actually remember the name of the colour.
You literally just told me it.
It's finished in Grigio, but it's Grigio something else, and I can't remember the other bit. Anyway, it's got satin PPF over the top of the Grigio paintwork, which makes it look absolutely awesome. It's got the Performante style wheels on it as well. Calipers are finished in orange. Can't look for a better spec or better looking car. It looks absolutely awesome. We're gonna make it look even better with a full CT carbon kit, splitter, skirts, spoiler. It's off to be lowered as well next week, and we're fitting spacers to it to give it that awesome stance that we always do. And yeah, you guys will let us know how it goes along the way and let us know what you think.
Right, Sam.
I'm good, mate. You?
So this one is a V10. It is.
How do you know that?
There's a big sign that says V10 there. A lot.
What's a lot?
A few. I'm gonna say it's a tough one.
Do you want me to just educate you? It's called an LP-610 because it's got 610 brake horsepower.
Oh well, I was about to say it right.
Yeah,
610.
You did.
If you'd have let me get a word in edgeways, Joe, I would have said 610 horsepower on this one. It's got the orange brake calipers. It's got the grey satin wrap on it. It's four-wheel drive as well. Yeah, thanks.
Grey satin wrap.
It's actually not. You're right. It's paint. No. On that note, I'm going home.
It's got grey satin PPF, mate.
Oh, PPF. That's what I meant. Well, wrap PPF is layman's terms to me.
Just for context, this is the man behind all the puns on the Facebook.
That's what I do. You're welcome.
So
You're
all
welcome.
the R8, great.
Nissan or no Nissan, GTR, you getting involved in this one? All of the above. Buy tickets.
Oh, also, a big thing that I've forgotten. It's got an nearly called it the wrong word then. Got an acropovic exhaust system. So if you look down here, Travis will show you. Acropovic or Akrapovic. Acropovic. I don't even know how you say it. There's too many names called in this office to remember.
Joe's currently cleaning George's personal GTR. George is actually getting rid of it.
Probably my favourite GTR that we've done.
There you go. I've got that on record. George is going to like that. I can put that in the video. Yeah. Just because it's George's, Joe likes to call it a skip.
Right, so it's Friday. We're now going to fit the Lambo kit. We've got full CT carbon kit, as we said yesterday. I've already bolted the winglets to the splitter, and I've bolted the spoiler legs onto the spoiler as well, so that's all ready to go on. All we've got to do is jack the car up, get the splitter on, get the side skirts on, and then we'll do the spoiler last. I think we'll probably do the splitter first. Yeah, we'll do the splitter first, and then just have to open the door so they'll ambulance. This might be a bit of a job to do on my own. We're going to have to pull a little bit of a balancing act. Right, that's the front splitter fitted. Looks awesome. On to the side skirts next. I've just had another little delivery of a graphics kit for a Insure. This one has taken probably 3.5 weeks to come, but
it's the Red Bull one.
It's well worth the wait. It's the Red Bull kit that I ordered from China. Looks good kit though.
It does. If you didn't know, Joe is the man behind all the decals, fitting them and everything, and finding them. Like this current one that we've got at the moment, the Rizzler.
Blue frame, come in a box. Joe built it, and Joe puts graphics kit on. Bob's your uncle, 5 bolts in his house. We've just removed the forged carbon engine cover. For those that didn't know, if you want to fill a Lamborghini up with oil, engine oil this is, you have to remove the engine cover to do so because they put the filler cap in a silly place underneath it, right there. Very silly. One rear sort of part of a Lamborghini taken apart. I don't really know what it's called, so kind of mumbo-jumboed my words there, Travis. I don't know. I guess it's the rear spoiler part. It's now going to have a spoiler attached to it, so we'll call it the rear spoiler part.
Joe's now put on the spoiler. They're a bit tricky, of course, these Huracans, because you've got to take the back bit off and whatnot, but it's definitely worth it. Makes the car look a lot more aggressive. As I mentioned earlier, this is a different kit by CT Carbon. We haven't done one of these before, or at least for a while. The last one we done was on a Verde Mantis Huracan. So let us know what you prefer. If you haven't seen the video already, I'll put it on the screen now. You can go check it out. Let us know your opinion. What do you prefer, the Night Racer kit or the CT Carbon?
So we've got this C8 RS6, which just had a brand new CT carbon kit, the first ever RS6 to have it as well. So check that out in some of the reels we're going to do. It's a stunning kit, to be fair. It makes the rear look really, really aggressive. It's got sitting on some 22-inch Vossen wheels as well. It's a huge must on these RS6s. It's running, I think off the top of my head, about 760 brake horsepower, stage 2, downpipes, exhaust. Yeah, it sounds sick, look.
So we're also taking out the G80
M3 competition. Finished in probably one of the rarer colours, Isle of Man green is called. We've also just fitted a full CT carbon kit to that as well. So it's got the front CT carbon grille, front splitter, side skirts and the extensions, and then the rear diffuser and the rear spoiler lid. We've also had that one lowered and spacers, so it's finished off with a full 7-day stance and it looks insane.
So this is one of our locations for the photos. This is the camera as well. I'm actually looking forward to seeing how these photos come out because the weather is perfect, and of course, I'll say it again, this colour really stands out. Launching tomorrow is this Audi RS6. We're just taking out for content today. Just going to show you guys a little bit more of a close-up of this car. So we're going to drive it to the containers, but we're going to start it up. Lovely sound. So we're just going to let the car warm up, and then I'm going to give it a little rev, show you guys what it sounds like. As Kyle mentioned earlier, it's got a full CT carbon kit. We haven't done one of these before. I believe it's the first CT carbon kit to be put on one of these RS6s. Looks awesome. I like the diffuser. That is the main thing that really pops out with this kit compared to the previous ones we've done before. And then of course it's got the Vossen Riviera wheels as well. Overall, awesome car, looks-wise especially, and performance. We did just take this out. I shot the BMW G80, so I didn't get any content of this. So, gonna give it a little rev now, show you guys what it sounds like. Such a nice sounding car. I really like these RS6s. It will be live on the website tomorrow, on Friday following. So get some tickets. Be sure to check this one out. You don't want to miss it. But these are really nice cars. Before I head back as well, we've actually got another YouTube discount code. It is Nissan20 for 20% off your whole order. It's only going to be valid for the next 48 hours. So be sure to be quick, use it whilst you still can, and it will only be valid until Friday at 6 p.m. All right, so I'm getting everyone in the office to do an insurance quote on the Lamborghini Huracan that is live on the website. So Nick, do you have any points on your license or anything?
Maybe.
How many?
I have 3.
You have 3 points. How long you been driving as well?
Since I was 17, so 7 years.
Barney. This is the guy who crashed his Mazda the other day. If we can get a,
Insert the photo.
if we can put a photo on the screen.
Yeah.
How long you been driving, and have you got any points?
I've been driving 6 years. I have no points, a fully clean license. I've never claimed anything, so I reckon I've got quite a good chance for this.
Jamie.
Yeah.
So how long you been driving?
Since I was like 19, so can't do maths. 8 years?
How many? You got any points?
Evening.
So this is Jack. I don't think Jack's actually made an appearance yet on one of these videos.
Privilege.
So how long you been driving for, Jack?
I reckon it's about 8 years.
And you got any points?
No.
This is the guy actually that dailies an M3. So I reckon you might have a chance. And then we've got Sam here.
Hello, I'm Sam. How are we?
As you would have said earlier, how long you been driving?
I could probably count the months on one hand. So October, November, December, January, February.
6 months.
6 months.
So so you haven't got any points within
I
them.
haven't. I don't think I've been driving long enough to get points.
Now Toby, how long have you been driving?
I passed when I was 17, so 3 years. 0 points, no, absolutely pointless.
Barney's got a price already.
I could do that.
Oh, that's cheaper than mine. I have a Polo.
I'm impressed.
I've got a quote. Someone will insure me 6 months worth of driving on a Lamborghini. That's pretty cheap, really. Probably worth about 10 times my car.
Jack's, yeah.
4-1. I'm
Whoa,
4-1.
Jamie's now getting his.
I can't even get a quote apparently.
Jamie didn't even get a quote, so
777 quid.
we got the cheapest, that is Toby's. And then
Yeah, but here's like 42.
well, you're not the worst. Jamie couldn't even get a quote. So Barney ended up getting
Compared to
1,665.
65, yeah. Compared to Toby though, that's pretty good because I'm considerably younger. He's got like 10 years on me.
Sam has got 9,987.
But that means we can get insured, which means Jamie is the loser.
And then Nick as well is pushing it with
Well, that's not too bad.
4,562.
Not bad, not bad.
Jamie is trying very hard to try and get a quote.
My dad's address, and now I've got quotes. Just had to,
2,344.
there's one there for 1,735.
Travis, you're gonna have to beep out a lot in this video.
Yeah, it don't matter.
You put FWD because I said 4-wheel drive.
You don't
Did I
F-
put the wrong?
FWJ.
Did I put right? Hang on.
What did it?
It came up and said Lamborghini, I think. I don't know. FWD. That's what I put in.
Yeah, and it comes up
It comes with a
Porsche.
Porsche.
Wait, so your Porsche was paying me that?
So Sam is doing another quote on the actual Lamborghini.
Got one.
Oh, he's got a quote.
It's literally the same price.
9,987.
I do plan on getting a Lamborghini. From a Polo to a Lamborghini is the next logical upgrade.
All right. Well, you got the most expensive quote.
So I win, yeah?
Alright, get quotes. So, I got, without a black box, 7,123. 5,000 with a black box, that's not bad.
That's not terrible.
We've now got Job doing his quote as well. What quote do you get? So Job got, without a black box, that's not bad. 1,673, that's close to Barney's really. 9 grand.
£9,987.
10 grand.
No, yeah.
Wait, so Joe loses?
Yeah.
I've been driving 6 months, bruv.
So, Joe's got the most expensive. Jamie didn't get insured first. Wait, you didn't have another address, didn't you? And you got 1,700?
1,700.
So that's pretty decent price. Jack got about 4 grand. So Joe and Sam got the most expensive at about 9,000, 10,000. Toby, who's only been driving for 3 years, got the cheapest quote. So how long have you been driving, George?
Good question. 9 years.
Got any points?
6.
So, moment of truth. Got all the details in. George is going to do his quote. What do you reckon it's going to be?
I think it either won't give me a quote or it will be like 8 grand. It has come up with
It's
quote.
literally like mine. I bet one's going to be from the detective.
4,700 with a black box and 7,200 with a power.
I think that's literally the same price as mine.
That's actually not bad. I didn't think I was even going to get a quote.
Yeah, I mean, better than Joe, better than Sam as well. He's been driving for less years anyway.
It's the points.
So yeah,
claim.
comparing to me, that I've only been driving for 3 years but have points.
Yeah.
So that's pretty
It's
shit.
the claim, I'm telling you, it's the claim. If I didn't have that claim, that'd be like £1,000.
Yeah, it'd be a lot less.
So, if you have no claim on your record and no points, or even if you've got 6 points, Lambos aren't that much to insure. The 5 grand will easily cover it, unless you're me, then it won't. Okay guys, so just before we wrap this video up, we have something very exciting to show you. We had an R34 GTR delivered a few weeks ago. You might have seen it in one of our videos. The paintwork was not the best, so we decided we're gonna give it a complete respray in the best possible color, but we're not gonna tell you what that color is. So tune in next week for the big reveal and we'll see you then.